Hey there, car enthusiasts! If you're thinking about getting your hands on the Aston Martin DB11, you're probably dreaming of smooth, luxury-filled drives, an engine that purrs like no other, and a car that makes a statement wherever it goes. But before you rush into the world of Aston Martin ownership, there are a few things owners wish they knew before they signed on the dotted line. The DB11 is an incredible machine, but like any luxury sports car, it has its quirks. So, before you make the big purchase, let's walk through some key points every potential owner should consider to get the most out of this experience. In this video, we're going to break down 10 important things that Aston Martin DB11 owners wish they had known before buying. Some of these might surprise you, while others might just help you make a more informed decision. Ready? Let's start. 10. It's not a daily driver. The Aston Martin DB11 is an amazing car, but let's be real. It's not something you'll want to use for your daily commute. Yes, it's comfortable. It's got all the luxury touches you could ask for, and the performance is top-notch. But the DB11 is a grand tourer, designed for long leisurely drives rather than the everyday grind. If you're thinking about driving it every day through traffic, you might want to think again. The car's low ground clearance and tight ride can make it less than ideal for urban streets and frequent short trips. It's built for more open roads, where you can truly appreciate its performance. So, if you're used to a daily sedan or something more practical, you may want to reconsider using the DB11 for everyday driving. 9. Service and maintenance costs are high. Let's face it, owning a high-end luxury sports car like the DB11 comes with a hefty price tag, and we're not just talking about the initial purchase price. Owners quickly realize that maintenance and service costs can really add up. Aston Martin vehicles are known for their precision engineering, and while they're built to last, keeping them in top shape doesn't come cheap. From oil changes to brake pads to general servicing, the costs are much higher than what you might expect from a regular luxury car brand. If you're not prepared for these costs, they could catch you off guard. Routine maintenance isn't as simple as taking it to a local shop. It often requires specialized care from authorized service centers, which can be more expensive. So make sure you budget for these ongoing expenses, especially since the DB11 will require more attention than your average car. 8. It's not as practical as other cars. While the Aston Martin DB11 is a beautiful high-performance machine, practicality is not its strong suit. The trunk space is limited, so don't expect to fit much luggage in there if you're planning a weekend getaway. Also, the rear seats are best left for emergencies or very short trips. They're not exactly spacious, so if you're someone who needs to carry multiple passengers regularly, this might not be the best fit for you. If you're looking for something that offers more utility and more space, you may want to think twice about the DB11. However, if you prioritize style, performance, and a true driving experience over practicality, the DB11 still checks all the right boxes. 7. It's not the easiest car to drive for beginners. The DB11 is an incredible driving experience, but if you're not experienced with high-performance cars, it can take a while to get used to. The car is heavy, powerful, and it demands respect. While its advanced suspension system helps provide a smooth ride, you still need to be on your toes, especially when pushing it to its limits. If you're used to more typical sports cars or sedans, you might find the DB11's handling a little tricky at first. It has a unique driving feel that might take some time to adjust to, particularly when it comes to its steering and braking system. So, if you're a first-time buyer of a car this powerful, it might be worth taking a driving course or doing a bit of practice in a controlled environment before fully unleashing the DB11 on public roads. 6. Fuel economy is not great. Let's be honest, no one's buying an Aston Martin DB11 for fuel economy, but it's still something you should know before making the purchase. With its powerful 4.0 LV8 or V12 engine, this car is built for performance, and that means you're going to be burning through fuel faster than a typical car. Expect to get somewhere around 18 mpg on the highway and a little less in the city. If you're used to driving a car that sips fuel, the DB11 may shock you when it comes to your gas bill. The high performance and weight of the car require a lot of energy, so if fuel efficiency is important to you, keep this in mind. Just remember, when you're driving this kind of car, you're paying for the thrill of the ride, not the gas mileage. 5. It's surprisingly user-friendly. One of the misconceptions about the Aston Martin DB11 is that it's a complicated car that requires constant attention and expertise to operate. The truth is, Aston Martin has done a fantastic job of making the DB11 user-friendly. Its infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use, and all the controls are well organized, so you won't have to waste time figuring out how to operate basic features. Even though this car is a luxury sports car with high-end features, the experience of using it day to day is surprisingly straightforward. The cockpit is well designed, and the driving experience is smooth, even for those who aren't familiar with high-performance cars. While you might not expect this level of simplicity in a vehicle like the DB11, it's a nice bonus that owners truly appreciate. 4. It's a car that gets attention. Let's face it, the Aston Martin DB11 is a head-turner. It's a car that demands attention wherever it goes. From its sleek design to its stunning curves, the DB11 will undoubtedly have people staring when you drive by. It's the kind of car that makes you feel special when you're behind the wheel. But with that comes the fact that people notice. Some owners love the attention, but others might find it a bit too much. If you value privacy or prefer blending in with traffic, the DB11 might not be your ideal car. It's a conversation starter, and whether you like it or not, people will be asking questions and admiring the car everywhere you go. 3. The ride can be firm. The Aston Martin DB11 is designed for performance, and with that performance comes a firmer ride than what you might expect from a luxury car. While the suspension system is finely tuned to handle high speeds and sharp corners, it can feel a bit stiff over rougher roads. This isn't the type of car you can casually cruise in for hours on end without feeling some of the bumps along the way. If you're used to the soft cushioned ride of other luxury vehicles, the DB11's ride might feel a little more intense, especially on long trips. It's not uncomfortable, but it's definitely more performance-oriented than comfort-oriented, so it's something to consider if you're planning on doing a lot of highway driving. 2. It holds its value better than most. One thing that many luxury car buyers don't always realize is how quickly high-end vehicles depreciate. However, with the Aston Martin DB11, you're looking at a car that holds its value better than most. While it may lose some value over time, the DB11 doesn't depreciate as quickly as many other luxury cars in the same price range. This is great news if you're thinking about selling or trading it in a few years down the line. It's an investment that, while pricey up front, will maintain a decent portion of its value, which is a rare thing when it comes to luxury cars. 1. Owning a DB11 is an experience. At the end of the day, owning an Aston Martin DB11 is an experience. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle. When you step inside the DB11, you're not just driving, you're becoming part of an exclusive club of car enthusiasts. The attention to detail, the craftsmanship, and the performance all combine to create something truly special. If you're in it for more than just getting from point A to point B, the DB11 is an experience you'll remember every time you get behind the wheel. So, there you have it. The top 10 things every Aston Martin DB11 owner wishes they had known before making the purchase. The DB11 is undoubtedly a beautiful, high-performance machine, but it's important to go into the experience with realistic expectations. Whether it's the high maintenance costs, the stiff ride, or the fact that it's not the most practical car out there, it's essential to know what you're signing up for. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. We've got plenty more coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned for all things luxury cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.